and welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are going to understand how you can automatically send a thank you or a confirmation SMS to your Google Ads leads, that to a personalized one. So here on my screen you can see a connection that I've already built between my Google Ads and a SMS sending application, that is Twilio. And now in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can build this automation by using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here, before moving forward with the connection, let me tell you about Pabbly Community. So Pabbly Community is the space where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly community today. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard, and here to build a new connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button, and then here it is asking us to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the other one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says automatically send SMS to Google Ads leads with Twilio. And for the folder, I'm going to click on this drop down menu, and here you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select it as per your requirement. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a folder window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, now let's move back to the dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So as you all know that I am receiving new leads through Google Ads. So I'm going to select my trigger as Google Ads and my app event as new lead form entry. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means you're going to use this webhook URL to connect our Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. So following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy the webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my Google Ads account. So this is my Google Ads account, and here I've drafted a test campaign inside which I've created a test lead form. So for now I'm going to use the test lead form to set up the webhook, but you can set up your webhook inside your live lead form as well. Alright, so here I've already given a business name, and here I've selected some relevant fields such as first name, last name, email, phone number, city and the company name. So here in the right side you can see the preview of the form that I've already created with the required fields. So we're going to scroll it little down, and here you can see the option of lead delivery. So we're going to select it, and under this you can see a webhook integration option. So as you all know that we are going to use webhook URL to build a connection between our Google Ads and Pabbly Connect. So it is asking us to add the webhook URL and the key. So here for the URL, we are going to add the URL that we have received in our Pabbly's workflow, and for the key I'm going to give the name as test. Now after entering all the required details, we are going to click on the send test data. So by clicking on this particular option, we are going to receive the dummy details for all these fields on this webhook URL, that means on our Pabbly's workflow. So by using that, we are going to set up our automation further. Alright, so we're going to click on on the send test data and it says test data sent. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received a detail where we have received the company name as company name, a random city, random phone number, random email address, last name value as last name, and first name value as first name only. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead, then instantly I want to send a personalized SMS to my lead via SMS sending application, that is Twilio. So for that, I'm going to add an action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Twilio. Then for the app event, we are going to select send SMS message, and then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking us to add the account SID, authorization token, and account SID once again. So now here to get these details, let me take you to my Twilio account. So this is my Twilio account, and here under account info, you can see the account SID, authorization token, and my Twilio phone number. So for now, I'm going to copy both of these details and paste in my Pabbly's workflow. Alright, so I've successfully added all the details, and then I'm going to click on this save. And you can see we are now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking for the body of the SMS. So here I need to enter the SMS body that I want to send to my lead whenever I'm going to receive a new lead form submission through my Google Ads. So let me add the body of the SMS. Alright, so this is the body of the SMS that says, hi name, thanks for contacting us. Our team will connect with you soon. Looking forward to assisting you. Digital Dynamics. So this is a very small SMS that I'm going to send. And here in the place of this name variable, I'm going to enter my lead's first name. So now instead of entering the lead's name manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step or my previous action step. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that when you're going to receive a new lead through Google Ads, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So for the name, I'm going to map the first name only, and this is the SMS. Then here for the sender number, it says the approved sending number in your Twilio account. So that means here I'm going to add my Twilio phone number. So let me add that. Alright, so here I've added my sender number, and here for the recipient number, I'm going to map my lead's phone number. So this is my lead's phone number over here. Now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. But here before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive an SMS over here. So let me add my number. Alright, so I've successfully added my number, and now I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a SMS on my phone number. So now let me show you the screenshot of the SMS that I've received on my phone. Alright, so this is the screenshot of the SMS that I've received on my phone that says send from your Twilio trial account. Hi first name, thanks for contacting us. Our team will connect with you soon. Looking forward to assisting you. Digital Dynamics. So this is a customized SMS that I've received, and here you can see my SMS contains a statement that says send from your Twilio trial account, because here I've used a trial account. But if you're using a paid account, then your SMS will not contain any such statements. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So if you have selected a trigger as Google Ads and an action as Twilio, so that when you're going to receive a new lead through Google Ads, then instantly a personalized SMS will be sent to our lead via Twilio, that is SMS sending application. Alright, so these were the steps to how to automatically send SMS to Google Ads leads with Twilio. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I would be really happy if you let us know what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.